This is Brahmanankar. Today going to discuss about functional interface. Functional interface is allow you to assign method in a value. What does I mean is that let's create an interface inf and declare one simple void return type simple method and give the inline definition to that inf object equal to new inf. So hello world. So if you call the foo method of that object, it will print hello world. So let's remove that into lambda. So let's remove entire object creation. Simply use lambda. Simply use lambda, and here you go. Same thing. So we replaced entire object creation and function definition with simply lambda. So now question raised is that without interface can't we use this? Yes, that is answer is through functional interface. So let's take an example. I want to I have certain logic. I don't want to put into any class or any method. I just have it and I used to use it. If you want in object oriented approach, if you have any logic, you need to create a class, you need to write a method, and you will put that logic inside that method. But in function oriented class, more priority will given to the logic part, not object oriented architecture. So let's see how it is done. Without interface, I deleted interface and I create one method which will perform some action. Let's process logic process Java 8 to write a functional interface. Java 8 given some feature out of box. So those are the functional interface. So one functional interface is the predicate. So let's and the method of predicate is test. It will return one boolean value. And predicate it is generic type. Let's make it as string. It is generic type. The parameter will be string. So in order to give that predicate part. Let's call that method process, and here you can give your logic. No need to write any kind of hello world. You have to return the boolean value from here. It is accepting one parameter. If you, yeah, so if it will accept one parameter because it is test, and it will return one boolean variable. Let's take another example. So public static void pro, and there is another predicate called consumer. Yeah, consumer c dot accept it. It is return type is void, and it will take an object. Okay, so let's give an object called just hello. So let's call that method with lambda pro. So here it will take hello as a parameter. So let's give p as the argument. It doesn't have any return type. Sorry, I give an underscore it hyphen. It doesn't require any return type. You can write any. You can put your any logic. Hard. If you execute it, it will write hi, and yeah. Yeah, it written hi. So here the this predicate consumer, if you go to these classes, it can have a number of functional interface that is present here. It has high usability is there, and you can use according to your requirement. You can use those functional interface. So like the video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.